I'm Miguel with EnvisionTEC, and here at our headquarters in Dearborn, Michigan, we're using all the available resources that we have to overcoming the COVID-19 pandemic. One of the biggest things that we're doing is 3D printing nasal swabs to be able to test Americans all across the country. And we're doing this day in and day out. Here at Dearborn alone, we've been able to print thousands of these swabs a day using our EnvisionOne printer. The EnvisionOne CDLM technology is perfectly suited to print hundreds of swabs at a time. The swab is printed in our eGuide soft material, which gives us enough flexibility to comfortably collect sufficient sample from each patient, but also durable enough to ensure that the swab is safely inserted and removed from each patient. State governments and hospitals can reach out to us for more information at EnvisionTEC.com.